How to create maps in Google Maps. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and search for Google Maps. Now turn on desktop site, tap on the three dots and enable the toggle for desktop site. Now open up Google Maps in another tab. Now switch to the tab. Tap on the three lines. Now go to My Maps. Zoom little bit. Tap on the three lines again and tap on Create a new map. Now tap on Create. Now zoom little bit. Select Add line or Shape. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.